We did it.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I have a guest with me. This is Deepica. If you guys don't know her channel, I'm gonna link it for you. Make sure you go check it out. I love having guests on my channel, and today is gonna be extra special because we're gonna be talking about something that I haven't really talked much about.
You really haven't. I talk too much about.
A lot of you guys know that I am Egyptian.
Yep.
And Deepica is
Indian AF.
I don't really talk about my culture that much, not for any reason other than I do makeup tutorials.
It's because your channel is mainly about doing beauty tutorials, makeup tutorials, but you have this whole other side to you that I feel like the world needs to see, which is how much you care about your culture and friends and stuff.
Exactly. So the whole other side is going to be exposed today. We're going to ask each other some funny questions, and as we're doing it, we thought it would be really cool to swatch lip colors. So we'll both be trying out the exact same lip color to show you guys how the same lip color looks different on different complexions, different skin tones.
Yep.
So we're both wearing the same color right now.
What is this brand?
It's this brand that we've never heard of.
Ever. Ombriche, we are into you.
We're super into you. It's a great color.
Own it is the color. It looks really different on both of us. And the look has an ethnic vibe to it.
It's perfect.
We're just supporting our peeps.
Ombriche will be sponsoring the video today.
What we were doing earlier was never have I ever. And as we were doing never have I ever, if the answer was yes, I had instead of drinking or something like that, we had to take off our lips and re-swatch them over and over again. Our lips are burning slightly.
Literally, we were taking off and putting on and taking off, and our lips were burning. But that's okay. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna push through. So, should we get started?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so the first question. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how strict are your parents?
95.
95 growing up.
95 still now.
Foreign parent problems.
What about yours?
Now I would say they're a solid 50.
Solid 50 on a scale of 1 to 10. No, wait.
That would mean a 5.
That would be a 5.
They're a 5.
Right, yeah.
If I came home with someone non-Indian, I think they would be okay. After Meghan Markle and Prince Harry happened, he goes, "She's changing the world." And I was like, "Dad, what if I change the world?"
That's so sweet.
Yeah, he says that until it's his own daughter. We'll see. Were you allowed to have boyfriends?
No. Are you crazy? I'm on the opposite scale because my parents were super strict and they still are, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
So do you have to come home with an Egyptian dude?
He doesn't have to be Egyptian, but he has to be the same religion. He has to be Muslim.
Muslim, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Let's do another question. If you could change your name, what would it be?
Growing up with the name Eman.
Oh, by the way, I think I would change it to Eman. Isn't that such a hot name?
So the correct way of pronouncing my name is Eman. Growing up, people in school used to call me He-Man.
Kids are so mean.
Kids are so mean.
Oh,
and they would call me He-Man. They'd be like, "Hey, He-Man, where's She-Ra?"
I hate kids. Guys, don't be a bully. Bullying is not cool. She's laughing about it now, but she's probably...
I definitely wasn't laughing about it back then.
No, you definitely were not.
It really, really hurt my feelings. So,
oh, Deepica, Creepica, you make me want to puke-ica.
I think that might be worse than mine.
Yeah, Deepica, Creepica, you make me want to puke-ica. And I already didn't like my name because nobody could say it. So then I started to go by Maya. Maya's my Starbucks name. Jasmine sounds like my stripper name, but actually I just love the name Jasmine because of Princess Jasmine.
Did you ever have a name where if you went out and you met a guy, you give him a fake name?
Yeah, what was yours?
Mine was Topanga.
What? You kind of look like her.
I know, people used to think that I look like her. Boy Meets World.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ever watch Boy Meets World?
Not the new Boy Meets World. Not Girl Meets World.
Not Girl.
Boy Meets World.
Boy Meets World. And the girl Topanga.
TGIF, shout out. Remember those days?
Yes, I love TGIF. And people used to say that I look like her, so that used to be my name. So I guess if I could change my name, it would be like a Topanga or something very normal like Jennifer.
That I was not expecting. Yeah.
All right, let's compare lips.
This is what it looks like on me. This is a universally flattering color.
This is a beautiful color. Shout out to Fenty Beauty for creating products that work on multiple skin tones because I love it. This is a great, great red.
All right, we're moving on. What age do your parents want you to get married? Yesterday?
500 years ago.
Right? Shout out to anyone who feels us on that.
My parents didn't really care if I went to school. They didn't really care if I got a job. They just wanted me to get married.
I guess mine have become more modern. I think they just want to make sure you're settled. That's the word my dad always uses. I just want you to be settled.
I think what it really came down to is that they wanted to stop worrying about us and having to take care of us. So they thought that if we had like a man taking care of us, then the burden would be off of them.
I can take care of myself.
Yeah, and then they realized that we are modern women.
Yes.
We don't need no man.
No, we do not.
But
Call us. Just kidding.
Single.
We are.
No, we're totally single. We're totally single.
Single AF. Let us know down below if you know a man. Just kidding. Kind of.
Okay, so the next color that we're going to do right now is called, what is this brand?
So this brand, I feel like we're like randomly discovering all these new brands, but it's kind of dope, right? So this is Natasha Moore. The color is Alter Ego. I haven't used this yet. Do you want to put it on first?
Do you know anything about this brand at all?
I know it's an Indian chick.
Oh.
And I think Dubai based is what I was told.
Oh, that's so cool. Shout out to anybody from Dubai. Dubai?
Dude, I've never been to Dubai ever.
Me either.
You haven't either?
No.
We're waiting for that hashtag my Dubai sponsorship.
My Dubai sponsorship, hook us up.
What is your most embarrassing childhood memory?
Oh my god, I have so many.
What?
I'm gonna tell you guys when it's really bad.
Tell me.
In our old house, when I was growing up, like this is like elementary school, for some reason we couldn't put a garage door opener in the garage. So every time we come home, somebody would have to, when I say somebody, it was either me, my brother or I, would have to get out of the car, run inside the house, open the garage, and like let the car in. One day we were coming home and then my brother's like, Eman, you go down. And I'm like, okay, fine. And I like totally had to pee. I like run into the house, I like open the garage, and my brother, being a brother, honks the horn.
Stop it.
So loud, I get so startled that I'm like, ah! And I like peed my pants in front of everybody right then and there.
That happened to me too, so I feel you. My nickname was Deepica.
How many nicknames have you had?
College was Slopica, growing up Deepica. I've grown up.
How often did you pee your pants? How often did you pee your pants?
Moving on. Who would play you in a movie of your life?
Ooh, I know.
Angelina Jolie.
Angelina Jolie.
Yeah, she all have similar lips. How did I call that? It's your lip.
Who did people say you look like growing up? Or like...
Well, there was only two famous Indian people, so it was Mindy Kaling or Priyanka Chopra, and I don't look like either.
So would people ever say, would they actually say that to you?
I get Sonam Kapoor and Deepika Padukone now, which people might know or might not know. I love hearing Deepika Padukone. She's beautiful. But
She's beautiful.
The end. That's it.
I used to get Angelina Jolie, Mila Kunis.
Yes. Damn, these are good ones.
Topanga from Boy Meets World.
That's the best.
Adriana Lima. Those are the ones that I get on.
Wow. Do you have any Adriana Lima looks on your channel? Because you could
I've
really...
never done one. Should I do an Adriana Lima look, you guys?
100%.
Yeah. Okay. We tried this color, this brand in the other video, and it looks so beautiful. The brand is called Ambriche. We don't know what it is, but we're going to show you guys. It's such a pretty color.
I don't know who you are, but shout out to doing a great job. They're going to love us. This feels like an Ambriche sponsored thing. It's not. We just like loved it.
Did you ever do makeup for any Indian weddings?
Oh, hell no, girl. I'm not a makeup artist like you. I can barely do I can do my own. I'm pretty good. Follow my channel. I swear I'm good.
So I used to do makeup for Indian weddings, and they were the most stressful thing ever. Tell us your craziest Indian wedding story.
My sister's.
Oh my god.
It just happened a hot second ago, and I recorded the entire thing. And my sister's wedding, her engagement party was 700 people, and her actual wedding was 900 people, and it was 2 weeks. It was crazy. My mom like lived for that moment. I'm just happy that I now get to go elope.
If I have a wedding, it'll be in my backyard with like 20 people.
Right?
Okay.
Oh my god, this looks so good. Look. It's comfortable.
Okay, this is...
Look. Did it come off?
Do one more
We
question.
should do one more lip. I feel like we should do a Huda lip, since neither of us have tried it and I have a bunch.
Yeah, let's do it. I got a good question for you.
Okay.
When did you start wearing makeup?
Out of the womb. Well, looks like we're doing trophy
Trophy
wife.
wife, how appropriate.
Oh, what would be your high school superlative? Best eyes or something? I could see you being best eyes.
What does superlative mean?
That's, oh man, that's very foreign of you. No, I'm just kidding. I take that back. That was rude. I'm kidding. Jeez, people are gonna yell at me. You know the thing where it's like most likely to succeed, most likely to be on a reality show, best eyes, best lips, like.
But did you guys actually do that?
We did it.
No, we didn't do that.
I got most likely to marry rich. And I went to my reunion and it felt real good to say, well,
I'm single.
That part felt okay to say. That I got it on my own. That's what felt good to say.
That's what felt good to say.
Girl. Looks beautiful.
Now, something's burning. I don't know if it's this that's burning.
I think it's the fact that we wiped our lips.
It's the fact that we've tried on 50 lip colors. Trophy wife.
This is what a trophy wife looks like.
Call us. You guys want to see more of us, make sure you check out the video that we did on Deepica's channel.
Yes.
If you want to see more collabs,
let us know down below. Tell us what you want to see.
What do you want to see? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're new, if you're coming from Deepica's channel, welcome.
Yay. And this was for fun. I hope you guys had fun with us. This is awesome.
Add us on Instagram, at Eman.
All the things. At Deepica.
Everything will be below.
We need to go like eat or like get our lives together. It's time. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.